days of September 14 to the 17th. Today I will do the activity to summarize performance to duty for the Asian story of today. The before first of all are to the Asian story of today. From free or YouTube or YouTuber, I would like to introduce myself. Hello, my name is Tina Balasukun, my nickname is Scott, and now I'm 38 years old. I'm working to YouTuber Tina Balasukun channel. From YouTube on July 1, 2020 to 38 August 38, 2025. The category making to offering offer show to for manager. I give it to God. God did it as a monkey with the community is one more temple. Papa some is so to move to the province. The follow that to turn on to the teacher of latitude. Buddha Busha, Dhamma Busha, Sangha Busha to the body to performing activity of opportunity. The second food to the complete the finally to for this video clip audio I see you do goodbye. That is about the guide to other. I would like to the phone I would like to the brother and sister audio. Thank you. Thank you for the follow and the subscribe on YouTube channel. And then we will be to meet again the next program of the Hello. สวัสดีครับ